So the question is here, root 2x square, this is the question, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. Yeah, some students got the answer. Very good. So what is the first step? We need to multiply this. So we will get 5 root 2 into root 2. 5 root 2 into root 2 will get 5 root 2 root 2 root 4, nothing but 5 into 2 will get what? 10. So we'll get 10. Now just we need to look for the table, 2 number. Like I can say, yeah, Vaibhav, correct answer. 5 2s are 10, right? 5 2s are 10. I need a 7. If I add or subtract, I need a 7. So both 5 plus 2 will give you a 7. That's it. So root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0. I think Rekha, you did not write. You did not write properly. So you can see the common in this two, the common in this two, and then common in this two we need to take. So I see that there is no common root 2 and root 5. There is no connection at all. There is no connection root 2 and root 5. So I will just take x common and I will write root 2x plus 5. In this there is a possibility of common because here 2 is there and here root 2 is there. So whenever 2 and root 2 is there, I can take root 2 common. So root 2 into root 2 will give you 2c. If you multiply root 2 into root 2, you will get 2. Root 2 into root 2, you will get root 4. Root 4 is nothing but 2. So your x is there, we will write x plus root 2 is common, so remaining is 5. Done. So next step. Next step. So what is the answer now? X plus root 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2. Root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So root 2x is equal to minus 5. We will get answer x is equal to minus 5 by root. Any doubt, boys and girls? Any doubt? Any doubt in this? Any doubt? See, boys and girls, my dear students, whenever the fraction is there, better to go with the LCM. Take LCM. 8 is the LCM into 8 into 8 into 1. Multiply this 2 8s are, 8 1s are, and 1 1s are. Yes, you will get 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equals to 0. If you cross 8 zeros are 0, 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equals to 0. 8 into 0 will get 8. So now 1 16s are 16. Select a table which will give 16 if you multiply. If you add or subtract, you should get minus 8. No, Nikhil, 4 2s are will not give you the minus 8. It will give you 4 4s are. Yeah, correct, Manoj. 4 4s are will give you 16. And you can write minus 4 will give you minus 8. Fine. So 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. Take common. In this 2 take common, then in this 2 take common. You can take common in this first 2, you will get 4x common. In 4 table, 4x, 4 4s are 16. Minus 1 because 4x 1s are 4x. Minus 1, nothing is common in this, so minus 1 common. Will get 4x minus 1 equals to 0. Answer will get, both answers are same. 4x minus 1 equals to 0. 4x equals to 1. Here also 4x minus 1 equals to 0. 4x equals to 1. And the final answer is what? 1 by 4. Correct, Manoj? X is equal to 1 by 4. That's the answer. Very good, boys and girls. Super. Let's start. So this is the question. You will multiply 1 into 100, right? Simple. 100 ones are 100. This is very easy. Orally, we can go for it without taking any factor. I can see 10 tens are 100. I need minus 20. I need minus 20, right? So what I can do here, minus 10 will give me minus 20, and minus 10 into minus 10 will get plus 100. Yes, Manikanda, Krishna, right? Very good. So 100x square minus 10x plus 1 equals to 0. Let us take common. You can see in this 2 common is obviously x is there. Even the 10 table is 10 tens are 10 ones are. So I will take 10x common and 10x minus 1. In this no common, so 1 will be the common, that to minus 1, and the 10x and here minus 1. You know sign will get changed if you take minus common. You know sign will get changed when we take minus common. Correct, Vignesh? So is equal to 0. Vignesh, kindly ask Vignesh to join soon. Vignesh, kindly ask. So answer is 10x minus 1 equals to 0. 10x equals to 1. We will get the answer here. X equals to 1 by 10. 10x minus 1 equals to 0. 10x equals to 1. X equals to 1 by 10. Finish. So simple, yeah? Yes, okay. See this 300 2 you should multiply. Minus 300 into 2 will get minus 600. Correct? So now 600. I mean, if you are expert in the table, then good. If you don't know what numbers will take, then take the factor. 2 threes are. I will just explain details so that everybody understand. 2 ones are, 2 fives are 0. 3 fives are. 5 tens are. 5 twos are. 2 ones. So you can see the answer is there in this only, in this number only. But the arrangement is needed. Correct? Arrangement is required. Answer is there in this only. So you know I need the answer as, if I add it, I need 1. If I add it, I need 1. So we should be very close. Correct? So here, if I try 3 twos are 6, 12. This will get 50. So no chance. 12 and 50 very far. There is no chance of difference 1. So we will think another. Like, okay, I will take 5 5s are 25. 2 twos are 4. 4 threes are 12. 12 twos are 24. Yes, we got it. So 24, 25. We need plus 1. So give your minus. Okay. If not, you can write even like this. 25, 24. As you wish. So we will write here 2x square plus 25x minus 24. X minus 300 equals to 0. Take common. You can see there is no common. Number is not a common. So just x will be a common. So 2x plus 25. In this common will be surely will be there. Carefully should get the common. Right, fine. Chalo, minus is common. Okay. You know this answer is 2x plus 25. So obviously a 2x will come surely. So this is the easiest way you can take common. 12. 12 twos are 24. You know 12 twos are 24. So it is the easiest way. And here plus will come. This is plus and this is 12 here and 25. 12 into 25 will get 300 for sure. Is equal to 0. That's it. Answer will get x minus 12 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 12. Another answer will get 2x plus 25 is equal to 0. So this 25 will come here. 2x is equal to minus 25. X is equal to minus 25 by 2. Finish. 3. Just take the LCM. LCM is 3. Take the LCM for this question. Multiply with 3, year 1 and year 3. As you know, 1 3s are. Multiply 2 3s are 6x square plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. So we will get 6x square plus 5x minus 6 equals to 0. So now you can take here minus 6 into 6 will get minus 36, right? Now I need plus 5. So I will take 9 4s are. And I want plus 5, so minus 4. Okay. So 6x square plus 9x minus 4x minus 6 equals to 0. Common will be 3 here. 3x, 3 2s are and 3 3s are. In this 2, minus 2 is common. We'll get 2x plus 3. So finally answer is 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Another answer is 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Answer will get x is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, direct answer. This 2 will come here, you know. And here x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So that's it. So simple it was. Any doubt? So you should take LCM first. The LCM is 5. Chat box is closed, so don't message now. So here we have 1. So this will be multiplied with 1. This will be multiplied with 5. And this will be multiplied with 1. Right? Correct now? 2 1s are 5 into x and 3 1s are. So let's do it. 2 1s are 2. 2x square minus 5x minus 3. This will go 5 zeros are 0. So we will get here 2x square minus 5x minus 3 equals to 0. Minus 3 into 2, what will get? Minus 3 into 2 will get minus 6. So we need minus 6 and we need here minus 5. So most of the students have went for this number 3 2s are. 3 2s are 6 and they took minus 5 they want, so they went minus 3 minus 2. Okay, so they are doing they are not sure with the sign. Minus 3 into minus 2 will get plus 6. But whereas you need minus 6. Yeah, minus 3 minus 2 will give you minus 5. This is correct. But plus 6. Difference is there, yeah. So while doing this, always be careful. Always be careful. So many students did a mistake, I feel. Many students did a mistake. Right? So we should take 6 1s are 6. Right? And here minus 6 plus 1 will give you minus 5. So 2x square minus 6x plus 1x minus 3. So here 2x common will get x minus 3 plus 1 common x minus 3. Answer is x minus 3 equals to 0, x equals to 3. Another answer is 2x plus 1 equals to 0, 2x equals to minus 1. Finally, you are going to get x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So many students did a mistake in table, right? Table.